All right, it's T-minus 2-day time for our newest West Hollywood area condo listing, and this one is one you're gonna wanna check out. That's right, high-rise living at its very finest. Elevated living, high floor, incredible north, south, east, and west views because you've got a corner unit completely remodeled and a very unique floor plan where you can have a flex space for all that at-home office needs or maybe an additional guest spot. But this is coming soon, over 1,200 square feet, multiple balconies, and views to the ocean. Check it out.